everyone, I'm just dropping in real quick to do the monthly reviewer giveaway for the month of May. So if you made a purchase and you left a review for the month of May, then you are entered in the reviewer giveaway. I don't have any announcements. The only thing that happened in the shop was we had Ishtar, Cernunos, and the most recent one that was released was Kalima. If you have any requests, feel free to message me, but just know that it's kind of a long list, so it's probably going to be a while till they get in the shop, but I will do my best. That's about it. So yeah, let's shuffle it. Ooh, almost forgot to shuffle. Okay, let's shuffle this and give it a couple more shuffles. One more shuffle. A couple more. Okay. All right. So let's see who our reviewer is. Leo? Congrats, Leo! I will be reaching out to you on Etsy in a private message, and you will have your choice of a $35 credit to use whenever you want, or a mystery box from the shop. So be on the lookout for that message from me. And to everybody else that left a review, again, thank you so very much. And to those that left photos, thank you again for leaving your product review photos. I appreciate that. So everybody have a great June and enjoy your upcoming week, everyone. Laters.